Welcome back, art enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting video that will inspire you to embrace sustainability and tap into your creative side. In this episode, we will explore some incredible wood recycling art ideas that turn discarded wood into stunning masterpieces. So, let's dive right in. Upcycled pallet wall art. Our first wood recycling art idea involves upcycling wooden pallets into unique wall art. Pallets are commonly used for shipping and often end up in landfills. Instead, we can transform them into eye-catching pieces for your home or office. With a little bit of sanding, painting, and some artistic touch, you can create personalized designs, abstract patterns, or even stunning landscapes. The possibilities are endless. Salvaged wood sculptures. Next up, let's explore the world of salvaged wood sculptures. Fallen tree branches, driftwood, or old furniture can be repurposed into beautiful sculptures that add a touch of nature indoors. Whether it's an intricate animal sculpture or an abstract geometric design, working with salvaged wood allows you to create unique and eco-friendly art pieces that truly stand out. Wood mosaic art. Wood mosaic art is another fantastic way to recycle and repurpose wood scraps. Instead of throwing away those small wooden pieces, we can arrange them in intricate patterns to create stunning mosaic artwork. From colorful patterns to monochromatic designs, wood mosaics offer a visually appealing and environmentally conscious way to breathe new life into discarded wood. Reclaimed wood furniture. Now, let's talk about the beauty of reclaimed wood furniture. Old barn wood, dismantled pallets, or discarded furniture can be transformed into unique and sustainable pieces of functional art. Whether it's a rustic coffee table, a stylish bookshelf, or a one-of-a-kind dining table, reclaimed wood furniture adds character and warmth to any living space while reducing waste. Wood burn art. Last but not least, let's explore the fascinating art of wood burning. This technique involves using a heated tool to create intricate designs, patterns, or even portraits on wooden surfaces. Wood burning allows you to showcase your artistic skills and bring out the natural beauty of the wood. From personalized signs to decorative wall hangings, this technique adds a touch of elegance to any space. And there you have it, folks. Wood recycling art ideas that showcase how creativity and sustainability go hand in hand. Remember, by embracing these ideas, you not only create stunning pieces of art but also contribute to a greener, more eco-friendly world. So, unleash your creativity and start transforming discarded wood into beautiful masterpieces today.